Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manovigyan. I'm your psychologist friend Shreya. So whenever we talk about romantic relationships, I'm pretty sure 90s kids will relate to this. We all think about kuch hota hai, DDLJ, it's all nice and romantic and all that. So now you may be wondering, why is this lady talking about romantic relationships? Because today's video is regarding that. Yes, today's video is regarding a topic. This is the recent term. I'm pretty sure even you guys will be hearing this from past 2 to 3 years. So today I'm going to talk about situationship. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is this? So stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So what exactly is this situationship? So let us understand that. So situationship is where you're not just friends, you're more than friends, but there is no label to it. Like girlfriend, boyfriend, husband and wife. There is no label to it, but you be like that. You be like a girlfriend and boyfriend, a husband and wife. You're romantically involved, but there is no label given to that. So this term came in 2017, and this term was coined by Karnia Hesse. She had used this term in her article in the newspaper called Cosmopolitan. So now you may be wondering, why are we talking about this? So in today's video, I'll be talking about how situationship impacts the mental health of the individual. Yes, it has negative impact on you. So the first problem that you see here is, as there is no label given to it, so here in the partner, one or the other partner will feel anxious about it because there is no commitment or there is no label attached to it. The second problem would be, the partner may get into depression. So why depression? See, what happens is, usually, no matter how practical we are in our lives, whenever we get into that zone of getting into a friendship or a relationship, as time passes by, we tend to get attached or too attached to it. So what happens here is, when you know that there is no expectations, there is no label to your relationship, but still at the end of the day you start to expect things from the other partner. So what happens, those expectations will not be fulfilled because there is no label given to it. So what happens here is, there are chances that the individual may get into depression. The third major problem here you see is that he or she may get into the self-doubt mode. See, there is no label given to the relationship. You really don't know how long this relationship is going to work for you. So there is lot of self-doubt about yourself. Like, you start questioning your decisions, or you're not sure whether how long this goes on. So I hope you like this small video on how situationship impacts our mental health. Guys, I am not here to sit and tell whether it's right or wrong, but my only point is, we should be careful of the choices we make in our lives. You should make choices that helps us to become better individuals. That's what I feel. So that's why I had come up with this video. And in the next video, like, if you're a person who always gets stuck in these kind of situations where you're getting into situationship and all that, so I'll be talking about how to come out of that cycle where you will end up being in a relationship that is more stable, strong and more matured. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So until the next time, you take care, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye bye.